Hi, hello everybody. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Today we're bringing you another amazing property in the city of Medellin. Now, the property that we're going to be showing you today is actually an independent house in a very special area of Medellin, in Envigado, Lower Par, in an area that's called El Esmeraldal. One of the things that is very special about this place is that is an independent house and a beautiful area. It's also surrounded by buildings though, so this is like an oasis. So we're gonna go see outside the house first, and then we're gonna go, like always, go look at the property inside. So let's go. So check this out. This property, this is the entrance to the property, and look at that. It's a beautiful modern style home. You're gonna see it in a minute though. It's a great property. Like I said, this is one of those hidden jewels because it's in the city and it's independent, and it's great. Check out the house. This is amazing though. Contemporary architecture though. Parking space back there. You can see you have a storage area right there. I'm gonna go in a little bit around this property. Check it out. It's just a really beautiful property. You know. Now, one thing about this property is shared with another home. It actually makes it really great. So you have your own little neighborhood right here, and it's just beautiful. I might say that a lot. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to get better at it now, but it's just one of those words that it does deserve it. Now, the doggy is again here to come and see us. Now let's go inside the house. So we're gonna go down this amazing path and check out this grand door. Now open it, and it's just beautiful. You got this beautiful foyer with double height, double ceilings, and all these glass doors, these glass walls. Sorry, look at this. It's just a beautiful property. We see a gas chimney back there, beautiful living room, and look at the dining room. We're gonna go see the rest of the house. Actually, the kitchen is back there. It's nice, and it's a beautiful open concept kitchen. Is beautiful. We have a powder room back there, which is beautiful. Right here, in this entrance right here, the foyer, as you can see, this is an area right here where you can have flowers and stuff like that. It's got a beautiful color. Like, I mean, it's today, like I mentioned, today we have a little bit of a gray day, but it actually accentuates the colors of the house a little bit, and it's beautiful though. Now check it out. Now we go into the kitchen. It's beautiful. And this kitchen, it also has a gate to the backyard. And now check this out. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's beautiful. So you got this seating space right here, and you got this older space back here also to have breakfast and stuff like that. And then check it out. We go through here, and look, isn't that beautiful though? Now we're going into the second floor. I never been here before, so this is all a surprise for me, and it's actually a very nice surprise, to tell you the truth, because this place is wonderful. It's just beautiful. So now let's go into the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms, walk-in closet, and works like an office right here. It's got its own closet, washroom and closet. Now let's go to the right and see what we find. Beautiful spaces. Look at this. Gorgeous. A beautiful bedroom, beautiful bedroom with a lot of space, a lot of lighting. It's got its own walk-in closet, it's got its own washroom, and even better, it's got this amazing balcony to enjoy all of that beautiful view, all that beautiful light. The washroom is also amazing. I see a lot of light in the washrooms, and I like the details. I like these details of the red tiles. It's actually beautiful though. Now let's go and see the rest of the place, because it's actually really nice. I really like it. One thing we notice is that all the washrooms, all the bedrooms have their own closet, which is amazing. And look at this view. Like, unfortunately, we have a really great view today, but we have this beautiful mango tree right here, and look at that. Oh, beautiful. Thanks for looking at this videos. Please like, share, subscribe, the works. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what kind of properties you want to see, and we'll bring them to you. Today, like I said, this is a home right in the city, independent, which is actually a little bit, like, some people might like it better, some people might not like it better though. I am one of those people that actually do love it. I really enjoy this kind of properties. I really love them though, because as you can see, they're gorgeous. They're really well done. These are properties that have panache. I think they have a lot of history. Look at this beautiful hardwood floors. Like, I mean, this is real wood, and it's just great. That chimney back there, I think, is just a great touch to this place. Those these rocks, this wooden not wooden, but this rock floors are just gorgeous. The kitchen with this stainless steel top is actually great though, because it's just beautiful though. So it's nothing but wonderful things in this house. Anyway guys, my name is Thomas from realestatemedellin.info. Please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this property, and we'll have more properties for you soon enough. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas. See ya. Bye bye.